data networks, and the Internet. Data communications, data networks, and the Internet. The fundamental problem of communication is that of reproducing at one point either exactly or approximately a message selected at another point. Dash. The mathematical theory of communication, comma, Claude Shannon. Data communications, data networks, and the Internet. Data communications. Black circle. Deals with the transmission of signals in a reliable and efficient manner. Networking. Black circle. Deals with the technology and architecture of the communications networks used to interconnect communicating devices. Data communications, data networks, and the Internet. The computer communications revolution has produced several remarkable facts. Black circle. There is no fundamental difference between data processing computers and data communications transmission and switching equipment. Black circle. There are no fundamental differences among data, voice, and video communications. Black circle. The distinction among single dash processor computer, multiprocessor computer, local network, metropolitan network, and long dash